Hi everyone, this is Sandeep and you are starting to watch to me. I hope you are well and you are doing well, my dear friends. I think that what we want to say, you must think about yourself. I think that if you would not think about yourself, you would never get this well place. You must know that at this time, if you want to change yourself, you have to focus. I think that our life is best, but we are giving motivate of people. I think that, my dear friends, it is a simple task of everyone. If you want to do well, you have to give time proper and you have to make well. If we would not do improvement of myself, I think that people would not like to watch. People would not like to listen. I think that if you have a something different of people, I think that people listen to you and they would think about you. And what became in my life, my difference we are thinking about of people. I think that if they would not think about myself, but we are thinking lot of us. Why he is doing as? Why he is as? She is as? She is as? I think that my difference. So leave of people talk, leave of around who is living to you. Only focus what you want to do. I think that we must not serious taking of my work. I think that we must enjoy. We must do something as I think that we have not feel boring and we have not feel we are doing wrong. I think that we are doing something as and we have to live happy of myself. We have to live happy of my work. What we are doing. If we are doing, we are not happy. I think that some time will come as you would live, but I think that my difference you can watch to me when we have met time. I make video and we are sharing of my thoughts. We are keeping of myself. We are keeping of my ideology between of people between who like to watch to me, who like to listen to me. But क्या होता है कभी कभी हम लोग भी वॉच ऑफ पीपल आई थिंक डेट बी कंसीडर बिफोर ऑफ देम हम लोग विचार करने लगते हैं कि व्हाट दे वुड थिंक अबाउट माई सेल्फ आई थिंक डेट इफ यू वुड थिंक यू वुड नेवर गेट टॉक यू वुड नेवर गेट शेयर योर थॉट्स एंड यू वुड नेवर कीप योर थॉट्स फ्रॉम द पीपल लोगों के बीच में आप अपनी बातों को रख ही नहीं पाएंगे माय डियर फ्रेंड्स एंड इट इज आवर वीकनेस you would never keep your thoughts from the people. I think that when I think have you considered ever in your family member are coming around to you, I think that you are stopping your video. I think that before you must make habit to speak front of the mirror. You have to speak front with your friends and you have to remove your hesitation. You have to remove you're afraid in your heart. If you would do as I think that you would gain better experience in your life. You must know better this stuff. And when we feel well, I share of myself, I share of my thoughts front of people, and you must know that at this time. In which topic we are getting speak. Someone come as we are divert of my thoughts. We divert. अच्छा ठीक है यार. We are keeping of my thoughts. I think that there is no one being as who disturb you. If you are doing what you are keeping your thoughts in your mind, I think that if someone are disturbing to you in your mind, remove that thought. Why, my dear friends, do work and watch yourself. I think that he will motivate to you, he will make confident to you, he will make fluent to you if you would watch to you again and again, if you would watch making yourself and listening yourself. I think that if we do something, we would never consider what we are doing. If we are doing and we are consider, I think that next time we would do work better. And ever we are thinking, we watch social media scrolling video one by one as so we are thinking we watch of people or we would do something as where or who is people would watch to me. I think we are trying to do, but we are not getting reach. Why? The reason I am not making better animation in my video. I am not showing clarity in my video, and we are not keeping well thoughts. I think that as so I think we are sharing lot of us and what we want to say. Today we would talk about my college friends in this video. I think that my dear friends, when we met of my friends, I think that we have feel very well. I think that year and year spent life we have what जागे I means what we want to say. कहने का मतलब जैसे what we are not express in my video what we want to say, but you must consider. I think that we have feel happy when we watch of my college friends, college life friends we met, we watch. I think that who we spend moment that time as जैसा भी हो. But what we want to see, my dear friends, I would like to say to you, if you want to do well, you must focus and you must try to do better again and again. If you want to gain better response yourself, you would reach better place, you must know that at this stuck and you must try again and again. I don't know that we are watching of people, they start when they have start, they are doing broken, they starting broken first, and slowly they have do improvement and they have gained better place now. So if we want to do, you must never leave and you must do work slowly. I think that some days will come as where you would reach where you want to go, where you want to deserve in your life. I think that as I I hope you would gain well and you must try to give best in your life. Best of luck everybody. If you are watching to me, if you given time to listen, thank you. Love you.